There's my mouth. Wait. There we go. There's my mouth. It's not really going through very well, but my mouth is there. It's working. Hello, everyone. Guys, what's your highest score on Silly Ball? Guys, what's your highest score on Silly Ball? Let's play Silly Ball. Where's my copy of Silly Ball? There's my Silly Ball. Hang on. What's this gonna show if I simply do this? There we go. Huh? No? No? Game capture? Does it gotta be game capture? Does it gotta be game capture? Game capture. 4x3. Where the hell is Silly Ball? There's Silly Ball. Uh-oh. Hang on. There. Can I just, like... Hang on. I didn't prepare this. Ah! I do this. Do this. Also, oh my god, thank you for the subs. I didn't even notice those. What the hell? Thank you. Oh my goodness. I haven't even started playing Silly Ball. Why are you paying me? Don't pay me until I start playing Silly Ball. Why is it running so slow? Why is it running so slow? Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. You got 251. Hell yeah. Why is it running at half speed? Oh, why is it running at half speed? Oh, why is it running at half speed? Oh, why is it doing that? Let's open the actual executable version. That's better. Okay. The executable versions work fine. It's just the HTML and browser versions that kind of suck. Got it. Well, they're there for the people that want them. Anyways, can we actually play Silly Ball now? No. Why not? Why can't we play Silly Ball? Game isn't made with Chromium. Okay. Silly Ball. Is this the right one? Yes, okay. Now we can play Silly Ball. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Silly Ball. What's your guys' highest score on Silly Ball?
Let the bass kick. Bass kick.
got 8. I mean, hey, better than nothing. Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck. I wonder if anyone's gotten nothing. It's
Really?
silly. Oh, well. I did.
Really?
I did.
Really?
Awesome.
Let the bass kick.
I should say hello to everyone. Hi Hayes. Hi Orchid. Hi Hydon. Hi Salad Plan Zone. Hi Cole. Thank you Orchid and Cole for the subs. Thank you so much. Smile. I'm glad people are here because of Silly Ball.
Let the bass kick.
These balls are kind of silly.
Really?
Really? I've got no commentary for this. Oh, why are you shooting up? Why are you shooting up? Stop
Let
that.
the bass kick.
Cut that out! Cut it out!
Let the bass kick. Bass kick.
It's hard. I haven't even broken
Let the bass kick.
I just realized, am I gonna get fucking copyright strike for kicking me today? That'd be funny. I mean, it's a rhythm game song, so surely not, right?
Let the bass kick.
When the ball gets fast, going left to right, like, oh my god, that's so hard.
Let the bass kick. Bass kick.
How's everyone doing on this very normal April 1st?
Bass kick.
Smile. I hope we're all playing indie classic Silly Ball. And nothing else.
Really?
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 Let the bass kick. Bass kick. Bass kick.
Hell yeah, new high school.
Let the bass kick.
Oh no. It was slowing down. Are we getting lucky? Are we getting real lucky? That's a new best for me, though. That's a new best for me, though. That was good. Ones across the board.
Really?
I've been informed that there's
Let the bass kick.
been a community suggestion for special praise when reaching certain numbers. Maybe I'll have to pitch that to whoever made this game. Silly Paul.
Let the bass kick.
They're a very busy person though, so I imagine that they won't have time for that. They won't have time to spend on such silly things. What am I gonna do for 67? I don't know, it's just a normal ass number. There's nothing special about 67.
Let the bass kick. Bass kick.
What am I gonna do about 68? Oh, that one's pretty funny. Yeah, I'll do like the funny like frog laugh. You know that one? Yeah, that one. I kind of suck at silly ball. Oh wait, I'm playing the browser version. Get this off my computer. People who play on browser mode are playing
Let the
on
bass
easy mode.
kick.
Oh, you know, breaking character. I have to no longer recommend downloading the HTML version because it still lags. Hang on. We're going to itch.io right now. itch.io. Silly ball. Edit game. Change display name. Runs slowly. And then we push it to the bottom. Runs poorly. Instead of saying slowly, because that is, I don't know. Now, is my mic actually like picking up at all? I'm seeing it's. Hang on, let me put some gain on this. Put more gain on this. More gain. There we go. Is this too much gain? Am I too loud now? Am I too loud now? There we go. I think that's better. I think that's better. That's better. Huh. What else am I doing? Save the page. View page. I minor spelling mistake. Save. Okay. Okay, I think that should be good. That should be fine. Let me get Silly Ball back up. You got to 43, that's pretty good.
Let the bass kick.
We're doing it stylishly. But there's something else I gotta do. There we go. Okay, now we can full focus on playing Silly Ball, I think. I guess this is a bit of a strategy. No it's not, because if you try clicking on the score counter... I guess you could just put your cursor below the score counter. I guess you could just do that. Hang on, I'm taking a big sip of water. Ugh, okay. Can I play Silly Ball, but every time I lose, I take a giant sip of water?
Let the bass kick.
Really?
Developer Insights breaking character again. When I was initially pushing this game out to itch, I was, first of all, disappointed with how it was running in browser. But other than that, I was messing around with it, and only after pushing all the versions out realized, oh, you can just mash your mouse on the title screen and just keep increasing your score without actually playing the game. Whoops.
Let the bass kick.
Ah! I was locked in for a second there. Dang. I might honestly push out an update where you can re-roll your ball color, or at least have it change on the title screen, like every new run, because let me see if I can capture this. Whenever you open the game, it gives you a random ball color out of 5. I just kind of forgot to implement it randomizing on the title screen.
Let the bass kick. Bass kick. Let the bass kick. Let the bass kick. Bass kick.
God, I hate it when it goes so fast.
Let the bass kick. Bass kick.
I want to try something. Auto clicker. There we go. What's the keybind?
Let the bass kick. Bass kick.
You can get some triple bounces in there. Cheater, you're cheating! I agree. I agree. If you use auto clicker on Silly Ball, I think you have some priorities to sort out. Try harding at Silly Ball is crazy, dude. I am not focused anymore. Joint pop check. That's the sound of working on Silly Ball all day. Oh. I had one good run and I'm just out of it now.
Let the bass kick. Let the bass kick. Bass kick. Bass kick.
Silly Ball at GDQ. Good lord. It would be an honor. I'm gonna promote my game more. I'm gonna promote my game more. What's your guys' highest score on Silly Ball? What's your guys' highest score on Silly Ball? Ooh. What's your guys' highest score on Silly Ball? I love being so annoying. What the hell? I'm just checking Discord notifs now. I'm just checking Discord notifs now. Can you DM someone that? Sure. Let me DM some random person. Who do I DM this to? I'll figure that out later. DM Egg, I already sent it in the server he's in. I'll DM Egg. What's your highest score on Silly Ball? There we go. Realizing this is actually kind of off center, hang on. Was that a mosquito in my room? It's April! It's the 1st of April, are we serious? Okay. Sitting back down.
Let the bass kick.
Okay.
Bass kick. Bass kick. Let the bass kick.
Ooh, actually, I'm gonna open back up the project file for this really quick. I need to see something important. Load from computer, Silly Ball. Okay.
Really?
Okay, good. I'm not saying what I was checking. But it does work, okay.
Let the bass kick.
Fuck.
Really?
Fuck.
Let the bass kick.
Really?
I am not focused right now. I think I'm just gonna call it soon. I just wanted to do this because it was funny. I'll end when I get a new high score.
Let the bass kick. Bass kick. Bass kick.
Big news, I just caught a Mimikyu. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Let the bass kick.
No, come back. It's so funny because I'm using a second monitor, so every time I try to reach for the ball, I start clicking on the OBS layout, and I know I'm gonna start dragging stuff around.
Let the bass kick. Let the bass kick.
Man. Ball's too silly for me, man. I don't know if I can go on anymore. Whatever. I am actually gonna grab some water really quick. I'm actually incredibly thirsty. Be right back. Is the audio broken? How so? If my mouth was moving while I was gone, that's just background noise that was being picked up.
Let the bass kick.
I was getting water. That's so funny.
Let the bass kick.
I guess if there's like any real commentary I can make over Silly Ball, I entirely was like, I wonder how fast I could. I wonder how fast I could just throw together a game, a little slop game. Surprisingly very quick. This was made over the course of maybe 3 hours. This is cooltext.com. The backdrop, button, and ball are all generic stock assets that come with Scratch. Most of the sounds come from... Okay, I say most. This sound, the smacking sound, comes from Rhythm Heaven. The high score sound also comes from Rhythm Heaven. The crowd disappointed sound comes from Rhythm Heaven. The funny sounds that can play when you lose are from a variety of things, like Mario Maker, Ow Oni, Five Nights at Freddy's. You got the Flash game energy down? Hell yeah. I think this is some Kirby font I downloaded for the Kirbathon initially. This is, of course, also cool text. And surprisingly, I immediately knew exactly how to code the ball, the ball's gravity. Can you give the ball silly textures? Would you believe that was part of the original plan and I just ran out of time? You know what? Let's see. Let's see. Can I give the ball silly textures? Let's see. How quick could this be? Oh, I got rid of the ball template. Save. Let me see. Is this gonna kill me if I do this? Where's the window capture? Oh, I locked it. There we go. Let me just... You only get to see this, sorry. I'm a little upset that the variable stuff keeps shifting itself around. That's not supposed to be there, but yeah, as you can see, the ball changes color every time you boot the game up. Let me really quickly make it so that whenever the game goes back to the game state, when game starts, set score to 0, yada yada yada. forever when is clicked and game state is 0. Switch costume to 1 of 5 and wait until game state is greater than 0.
Really? 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 Really?
There we go. There we go.
Really? 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 Really?
Ball color now randomizes whenever
Really?
the game goes back to the title screen.
Really? 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 Really?
Awesome. Now there's another thing I want to see if I can do. Can I rotate something? I can. New thing just so I don't mess up the existing one. Forever if game state is 1, just because I don't want to fuck anything up. If game state is 1, turn X velocity degrees. Oops, that's the thing with this. I can't test this game in the demo window. If I do, I have the chance of dragging an acid around, and the ball specifically will go into the thousands in velocity if I do that. So you can't see it right now. There you go, there's the ball. But the ball is rotating whenever it bounces. Let me see if I can edit the ball really quick and put like a big dot on it just so you can see. Can we get the yellow one? There we go. There we go.
Let the bass kick.
We have rotation. Also, yeah, it makes you immediately lose, which is very funny. You're probably wondering, hey, if that was so easy to implement, why didn't you do it? I ran out of time. That's literally it. I just ran out of time. But I think I'll save that because that's very nice. And I will remember. Be careful, bouncing a ball on Teto's head may make her head hurt. Are you kidding? That's motivation. I'm gonna give her so much brain damage. Also, yeah, wait, happy birthday, Teto. I forgot. I literally said it last night when it technically turned midnight, but yeah, happy birthday, Teto. Save a silly ball. What? Oh, right. You know, let's make it so the menu button also pops. This part is clicked. Play sound pop until done.
Really?
There we go.
Really?
And I'll make it a little quieter because it's kind of loud. There we go. What did you get her for her birthday?
It's in the mail. Haha. Also, very funny thing you might notice. If you boot up Silly Ball right now, you'll notice that the high score. You'll notice it says 6. That's entirely because I was testing the game right before adding... I was testing the game right after fixing the title screen thing. And forgot to set the best value back to 0, so my, in quotes, high score of that build is just immortalized now. Until I update again. Just very funny. Oh, you know. True haze. Is there a way to set rotation to nothing? Point and direction. If game state is 0, point and direction. How curious. I can do this.
6? I wish it was 7!
I love saying that shit in the most annoying voice possible. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now it resets the rotation to... Nope. No, it does not. Where is the... Where did I randomize the costume again? Oh, right, it's up there. I think I have to add another block. Well... Forever... Back layer, point and direction, 0. That should be good though, I think.
Really?
Okay, yeah, that works. Good. But yeah, I think that's honestly about it. I'm not doing a whole game dev stream. You just got to see what the next update of Silly Ball is gonna look like. Hell, I might push this out immediately. After stream. Oh wait, hang on. What about the true Silly Ball secret level for true gamers? That comes next year. Okay. Save as Silly Ball. Close. Gotta start developing the new Silly Ball tech. That's true. What does that entail? I love water. Silly Ball 100% speedrun. That might happen in a future update. Because what is it? Not only was the game originally going to have more ball skins, they were supposed to be unlockables. If you kept playing, they were supposed to be unlockables, but that also got kind of scrapped for the first version. Maybe in a future update. I will say there is one secret in this game, but I'm not going to say what it is. You just gotta keep playing anyways. That should be about it. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching me play Silly Ball for about an hour. Thank you for watching me make Silly Ball for like 10 minutes. I know this wasn't really much of anything for April 1st, but you know how it is. I at least wanted to do something because I love April Fool's stuff a lot. But okay. What am I trying to say? What am I doing right now? What's the plan? Silly Ball version 1.1 coming soon, maybe? Maybe after stream, maybe within the next week. You will be getting an update to Silly Ball. This is a promise. This is a promise. Silly Ball is technically done, and that's the only reason it's released, but there's a lot of scrap things in Silly Ball that you might see coming up. Who's streaming, actually? Is anyone engaging in hilarious April Fool's shenanigans? Undertale Blind from Dubious. That's real. That's real. Impressive. Donathon. Wow, no one's actually. Oh, no one has fools today. What the hell? I'm the only fool, and that makes me the fool for real. Oh, whatever. But thank you all for coming. The joke is there is no jokes. That's not a good joke. Whatever. Thank you all for coming. I don't know when I'm gonna stream next. Or what I'm gonna stream next. But, I don't know. See you at